We're looking at Tupac's birthday. We're looking at a whole range of things, and it'll be great to be making contact again with people around the world and here in the Manawatu. Coming back to tuna, the Japanese have made the announcement that they're not taking any more tuna from their environment. That opens some doors here, and there are various other developments as well. So, te moana me te ngahere tonight. Looking forward to having your company, and a huge shout out going out to Lina in Greece, and of course to Lorenza in Italy, and to Maria in Zamora, Spain. Fantastic to have you joining in our program, and thank you for your interest in what's going on in our country and in the music that we're playing, and in making friends with people here in the Manawatu in New Zealand. It means a lot to us. So kia ora mai rā koutou, and look forward to your company tonight on Te Moana me te Ngahere.